Tiziana. So 5 days on, I just wanted to show you my nails. So if you saw my last video, I made these nails, and 5 days have passed, and I wanted to show you that my nails look nearly the same, and I haven't lost a single rhinestone. So I was worried about that because I've seen on YouTube many people say that you have to have special glue and blah blah, but I just used this glue. This glue, I bought it here in my local shopping center, and it wasn't expensive, just the normal glue, and it works fine. Like I said, I didn't lose a single rhinestone. So, not to worry about applying rhinestones, because I don't know if I was lucky or not, but this is how they look 5 days on. And I did wash my dishes, and I washed my hair, and I took a shower, and this is how they look. So now I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna start a new tutorial. Oh, I got my polish off, and now I'm gonna start with a layer of Und peel off base coat, and then I will apply yellow, which is supposed to be the color of for nails for 2019. Is yellow is one of the Vogue colors for this summer. So I will applying this color from Chanel, and it is number 592. It's a beautiful summer yellow. So let's get started. So I have applied my polish, and I have left my ring fingers without, because I'm planning to do a different design here. I have sealed my polish with Sèche Vite, and now I will be using some glitter polish. This is from Technique, and if you don't know this brand, I'll leave their link, their website I mean. I'll leave the link down below in the comment section. I'm not able to talk. I will leave their website down below in the comment. With the glitter polish, I will be using some normal striping tape, gold color. So let's go ahead and start. So striping tape, you can buy it in nearly all the nail shops. Placed the other one too far, I think. So I had to put it straight off camera because I just couldn't put it straight while I was filming. So now I have applied two pieces, and now I'm gonna take my glitter and my small piece of These I got it from She Modern. When you buy packets from her with the pigments and everything, you get a card like this also. And I'm gonna place some of this polish on my small mat. I'm gonna take my What's Up small detail brush and place it in the middle. So it's a very simple manicure today. So this is the first layer, then I'm gonna let it dry and then apply more glitter. In the meantime, I will do the 3 other nails and the other hand, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do on my ring finger. I have applied 2 layers of glitter in each line, and to seal it off I'm gonna use this Essence, the gel, because I think this one is a more thick top coat, so it will seal it better and hold the tape, the striping tape down. So I'm gonna use this one now. So for my ring finger, I will put striping tape as well. But I will put it in a diagonal way. So I think I made it stick now like I want. So I have to hold my hand close to my body, that's why I can't film it. But I think it's in place now. And now I'm gonna put my yellow polish in between. So I don't want any polish on my tape. So these are the finished nails. I hope you like them. If you like them, hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel and you will see lots of more beautiful nail art, hauls and much more. So remember, subscribe. And I'll see you for a next video soon. Bye. I can imagine in the sun. Yeah.